Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can unstake any crypto that you have staked in the Coinbase app. So what we're going to do is click on the Coinbase app to open it up. And then from the homepage of the Coinbase app, what we want to do is find our menu options here in the upper left-hand corner, clicking on that. And in our menu, we want to scroll down until we find the earn area. And then in earn, you'll find where it says staking, and we're going to click on that. In the staking page, you'll see all of the cryptocurrency that you have staked in this area. So if you'd like to unstake a particular cryptocurrency, you can click on it. So for me, I have Ethereum staked. If I wanted to unstake it, I would select Ethereum. That brings us over to the Ethereum page, and if we scroll down to find the staking area, you can see that you have the unstake option right here. So if you click on where it says unstake, and an interesting option with Ethereum on Coinbase is you can actually wrap your Ethereum for cbETH, and it will keep your Ethereum staked, but it'll give you that cbETH that you can still sell or trade. There's no lockups, no waiting. So if that's something you're interested in, you can do that. You can wrap your ETH for cbETH. Otherwise, if you want to continue with the unstaking, you can select that option where it says continue to unstake. Then you take this little slider and you select how much of your crypto that you would like to unstake. So let's say maybe you'd want to do all of it. So you could select all of your crypto. And then you can preview the unstaking. Then it shows you the amount that you're unstaking. You can do it instantly. There's no waiting, or you can do the standard, which you're going to unstake. There's an unbounding time of 10 days, and then you'd get your ETH after that. There is a small fee on the instant option. So going to the bottom of the page, we can see that there's about 1% on this instant unstaking fee to get instant access to it. So you can either wait the standard amount or do it instantly. And then if you want to do it instantly, you can click unstake instantly. Otherwise, if you want to do the standard option and wait, then you can see the amount that you're getting, and there's no unstaking fee with that. So then you could click unstake from there. And that's the process that you go through to unstake cryptocurrencies through the Coinbase app. It's going to be dependent on what type of cryptocurrency you're unstaking, what type of unlocking period that it has, and if there's an instant option. They can be a little bit different depending on the cryptocurrency, so keep that in mind. But that's going to wrap this one up. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.